Hey, it's Carl, and we're doing something a little different, as you can see. So, I wanted to talk about how amazing GarageBand is for riff writing and just writing songs and making demos and just kind of having fun being a little creative. It's a really powerful piece of software for something that's free. And I think it's important to keep in mind as well, I'm not a producer whatsoever. I don't know Pro Tools. I don't know any other DAW. I've tried a few others in the past, but GarageBand is just so easy that I just keep coming back to it. I'm writing mostly for myself, or for guitar reviews, and pretty much every track you've heard in a guitar review, meaning the kind of intro track that has a drummer, was recorded with GarageBand. And most of the time, it's with the GarageBand Drummer, which is versatile and yet fairly simple. What I like about it is it'll just create your beat for you, and you can mess with it and edit, change it. But it's really impressive. So what we're going to do here in this video is I'm going to show you how I use GarageBand for riff writing. And I do have some other plugins. So I've started using EZDrummer. So let me pull it up. I've started using EZDrummer because, I bought it and I figured it was time to learn. So EZDrummer is much more extensive than the GarageBand drummer, but you definitely don't need EZDrummer. But if you do have EZDrummer, it works perfectly with GarageBand, which is nice. So what I do when I'm writing a riff or kind of a song is I'll get a beat going that I like kind of half the time. Sometimes I'm just playing on the guitar and, I write the riff that way. But the other half, I like to get a beat going, kind of provide a little bit of inspiration. It's like jamming to a live drummer, except you're sadly jamming with yourself. So in any case, what I have here, or what I did here for with EZDrummer, is just if you look at the bottom of the screen here, I put in a bunch of beats, MIDI drum beats or segments of beats that to me sounded good. And so like we have an intro here, a fill, a verse, another fill, chorus, fill, verse, etc., etc. And you can edit each one, with the MIDI here. Like if you want to add an extra kick right there, you can do it. You remove, so you basically click it again to remove it. So really nice. You can edit everything. So in any case, getting ahead of myself a little bit here, we're keeping it simple. I don't mess with this grid editor very much. I just take whatever the standard MIDI is, get it in there, and guitar. And so just hear what this sounds like without any guitar. Right? But it's a start, can get you inspired. Obviously, as you can see on the screen here, tempo on that is 60 BPM. We're doing a bit of a doom riff here. And I also, in this case, I'm using Bias Effects 2. So I created this preset here for myself. It's a 60 AC Boost E2 orange cab. And I'm plugged in, or for this, I was plugged in with Behringer Super Fuzz. So really simple. And I am tuned to drop C sharp. So it's a half step down to C sharp. What I like to do is get that beat going and just start kind of jamming, right? So I'll listen to the beat and just start playing and just start playing along with it. And once I have kind of a start idea, then I start actually recording. So right here, see, this is my 5th take on this. So I just kind of keep iterating. Like I'll play something, listen back, see if I like it, and kind of keep doing that until I have like a riff that I'm starting to like. And I keep just working on it like that. So sometimes you'll see this number get up to like the 20s, 30s, 40s if I'm not liking anything that I'm creating. But in any case, to me it's really fun. But so let's see what we've got here. All right, I'm going to play this. So for me, great start. Got kind of a doomy, kind of groovy riff and keeps going, but as you can see, it just abruptly ends because that's all I had coming out. It's like improving riff writing. And the beat keeps going. And I don't even know if I like the transition. This is technically the chorus now, but that's kind of how it works, right? You just mess with it. And now let me show you the GarageBand Drummer, because that's really cool. So I'm going to mute this drum track. And I do want to say, as far as GarageBand, I think I already mentioned it, but one of the things I love about it is how easy it is to use these plugins like EZDrummer, Bias FX, all of that, but you absolutely don't need them. I've done tons of stuff with just the stock stuff that goes with GarageBand. So that's what we're going to do here. So let's go a new drummer. And the default here is pop rock. We're going to do hard rock. And down here, there's a bunch of beat presets. So the way the GarageBand Auto Drummer works is it basically has a few ideas for drums, and you can edit them with this kind of scratch pad. All right, so let's see what this beat sounds like. Mute this, and let's just hear the beat on its own. All right, to be honest, I don't love that. See, even without even hearing the guitar, I don't love that beat. Let's see what this one. Okay, I like that tone better. Let's see what it sounds like with the riff. So one problem is the beat right here is at halftime, so it's even slower. So let's try one of these other ones. Let's try so as you can see, it's got a few different kind of presets. Let's start at number 1, see what this one sounds like. I like that. But one thing I like to do with the GarageBand Drummer is we'll split the track. So with that intro, you can edit it a little bit more. So let's turn up the fills, and let's turn up the loudness, maybe the complexity a little bit, turn loudness all the way, complexity a little bit, and actually this I'm going to keep similar, but I want it a little louder. All right, so see what this is like. All right, I do like that. I don't like that fill. So let's go And we can mess with two things. One, we can mess with this and change it. See what that fill sounds like now. Okay, terrible. We can also just mess with let's turn up the fills all, see what that's like. All right, let's turn down the complexity, turn up the loudness, and I'm going to turn the fills a little bit lower. Not bad, not bad. Let me try one more thing. Let's try this second beat, see if that's any better. Okay, I'm going to put it back, and we're going to split this again. And this one, I'm going to turn the fill down. That first part a little simpler. This part will go here. Let's see what that sounds like. Nope, didn't like that. Let's undo. And okay, I like that. So that's the beauty of this is it's a little imperfect when you're using the GarageBand Drummer. Anyway, so let's kind of compare the two, the GarageBand Drummer versus the EZDrummer. I really like the GarageBand Drummer now. All right, and let's compare it to EZDrummer. All right, so that's that. Really fun. Love messing with these things. So, as far as that goes, that's why I love GarageBand and the GarageBand Drummer and the ability to use plugins like EZDrummer and bias effects, all of that. GarageBand makes it easy. If you have any questions about how I use this or how you can use this, leave a comment. I've been thinking about maybe doing like a live kind of class, like a riff writing in GarageBand, how to, set everything up, all of that type of class. If you'd be into that, I think it'd be very nominal fee, like $9 or something. Also, let me know if you would join something like that. Of course, it would be recorded. If you couldn't make the live session, we would, I would send that to you. But let me know if that's something you'd be into. I know this is not like my regular content, but could be fun. So, yeah, as that goes, that's all I got for now. See you next time.